The Senator Highway is a 38-mile-long, bumpy dirt road between Crown King and Prescott, Arizona, through the Prescott National Forest. We did it in this all-wheel drive Chevy Astro van. Let's see how we did. The first few miles out of Crown King were the worst, with deep ruts and boulders marring the road.
Only 38 more miles to Prescott.
Oh. After 5 miles, we'd had enough for the night. There's our campsite. A wonderful view and a crackling campfire was the perfect ending to the day. Early the next morning, we were at it again, enjoying the way the van handled the road.
My tire on this, I gotta be exactly on it.
Okay, I think it's on it.
I gotta be like centered on it.
We couldn't get enough of the diverse scenery along the Senator Highway, which ranges from lush pine forest to classic high desert. This old mining route was established in the late 1800s. A historic log cabin, one of the oldest buildings still in use in Arizona, was a cool sight to see. We learned the Senator Highway as we went, not knowing much about it when we started, and prepared to turn around at any time. About halfway through, we realized we'd left our tire iron at our previous campsite, which added a little extra tension to our drive. So who should do the Senator Highway? I'd say anyone in a higher clearance four-wheel drive vehicle will be fine. You may not want to take your sedan down this bumpy and rutted road. We wouldn't have been able to do this road today if we hadn't first gotten a lift kit from Journeys Off-Road in Prescott, Arizona. As you can see, the back wheel is quite a bit higher. It used to hover around there, so we're really happy that we had a lift done on the van. If you do decide to drive the Senator Highway, we hope you have a great time. And remember, don't go if it's raining.